Hello, I'm here to showcase my Sugarcane ERP, which I built using the skills and the concept learned in the 5-day intensive coding course with the Google and Kaggle team. So the Sugarcane ERP here is here to solve the case and the problem and the gaps that exist in the currently uh, companies. So most of the farmers and most of the company, uh, there's a duplicate farmers record. We also have payment errors, slow data retrieval, poor reporting. We also have inefficient management. So this system aims at solving those problems by accurately registering farmers, paying on time, faster retrieval and tracking for transparency purposes, solid reports of the farmers' yield and products and produce also. We also have efficient management. So why did I use the AI is that this AI is it is faster, it is speed, is of high quality. So I just say if I coded here and the system, the agent here, as you have seen, I have installed in my local machine. So on the graph here, you can see the settings here, the agent here. So if I coded here, it generated all these modules, files, and packages we have seen on this left hand side. So I just use it and it developed for me most of these project. So if you can see, some of the technologies I use is fine. So this one is the front end, the ERP dashboard, which is the front end. So I run npm run dev, so it run this link. So when we follow the link, we are going to get the real dashboard. So this one is the backend. We have seen everything is working okay. So let's see on how it works. So when you come here, you can see that this is the backend of the app. So if you have seen, we can just get farmers here. We can create, we can add, we can deliver, get delivery, we can add payment. It also have the dashboard there. So let's look at the front end. The front end is just the overview of the dashboard. So the company can see total growers, total tonnage, the process payout, outstanding ledgers, recent sugarcane deliveries, recent payment processed. So let's look at the farmers directory. So if you have seen, each farmer has their respective contacts, national ID, tonnage, paid ledger, pending balance, and action. So you can differentiate between the paid ledger and the pending by the color if you have seen it. So it allows the company to track which farmer is not paid and who is paid fully. So we also have sugarcane deliveries here. As you have seen, the first farmer is here at the bottom. The recent or the mostly recent farmer is at the top. So farmer name, we also have deliver tonnage, price per ton, total cost, and the respective data. So we can record sugarcane or current sugarcane delivery basing on the farmer name and ID. We also have farmers registry here. Same case applies. So you can see that we have the first person here and the recent person here. So we can also add process farmer also by the name and ID, as you can see. So that is how the system work to help solve the existing gaps and the problem. So I created using the CLI and vibe coding here. Despite that it has reached its expiration date, that is how it works. It assists me in orchestrating and giving the perfect responses with the aid of these MCP servers here at the right corner. So some of the technologies I use include the following. This is the system architecture of the ERP itself. So we have the client layer, API gateway, service layer, data layer, and external services. So this is the general system architecture of on how the system works. So some of the technologies I use include the React as a front end, a Fight, and Tailwind CSS for also for front end and application. So, and I'll tell you how my system works basing on the skills and the concept learning in the 5-day intensive vibe coding. Thanks.